Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage. I'm going to show you how to install a Tach. Now when I say install a Tach, I mean just wiring it. Because I have tape mounting my Tach. That's because I'm lazy and I didn't want to permanently mount it yet. But we're going to start by removing the instrument cluster. So you're going to take and you're going to drop the steering wheel all the way to the down position. And then you're going to go over here. And it is a number, let's see here, number T15. It's a T15 Torx bit. And up here you have two screws, and you're going to remove them. Unscrew right here. Yes, I know that's not straight. Drop it. For me, I put it in the seat. Oh, and you also have to remove your steering knob. Push it back in so your lights aren't on. Now, I've already wired mine up, but I'm just going to show you what connections they go in. So, sorry guys, I'm not really looking at the camera to do this. I'm going to switch hands real quick. There you go. I'm sure most of you who are doing this know how to pull out your dash, but because I'm lazy, we're going to go ahead and do it. Videotape it for y'all, since I have to do it anyway. Now, I figured I'd go ahead and do this and show you all for you people that don't know. Now, these Tachs, the Tach like this, which has the 4 wires, can only be put in 98 and older cars. This is because 99 and newer cars need a Tach adapter. Now if you see here, I'll pull down here, pop it up, pop it out. See, it pops out around, pops out, and it lifts up. Sorry, I'm really bad at doing how-to videos, but, and then it shows here. Now you'll have 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Me, I only have 2 screws in it. Yet again, you use the T15. Go there, and tighten it. To be honest, I'm not even sure that's in. See, my screws aren't even in. To be honest, I don't do things correct all the time, because like when I bought this car, it only had 2 screws in it, so I left the 2 screws in it, and they were only on one side, so I just put them in the corners, one upper, one lower. That way it doesn't rattle, and I haven't had an issue with it, to be honest. Ah man, that should be able to get that now. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, wiring it was really easy. I mean, I had to find the wiring diagrams because I noticed I looked online and no one really has what they say where to wire it to, but they don't show you where, you know. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna lift it up. You're gonna lift up. I don't know what that was. Lift up and pull out. And then you're going to go behind, and there will be the clips. You push a button up and you pull out. And it drops in. And there's also one on the other side. You do the same thing too. Pull out, and then the cluster just pulls away. Now, to do that, here's the mess I have here. Okay, the green wire is your signal Tach wire. That goes to this yellow one, this brown and yellow, and that is on that connector right here. Alright. Your other one is your red one, which goes to the red and yellow. Which, as you can see, the red and yellow is right there. The fourth wire from the plug. Your ground goes into the black one, which is the last one on the plug. See, ground. And your illumination goes into the white one goes into the blue and red, which is number, I guess I was wrong. No? Number 5. Okay, there we go. It's number 5. Yeah. It's number 5. From this side, it is number 5. And that'll help you. As you can see, the connectors you just click them in. And the installation is the reverse of everything I did. It won't take too long. Now, when you put these tachs on, you have to make sure, whether you have a V6 or V8 or whatever, you have to make sure it's set for V6, V8, inline 4, it doesn't matter. Because different engines give different pulses. Like, the reason I got this tach is my factory tach, it works seldomly. It will commonly overspin and sit on the needle right here. Overspin and sit on the needle right there. That is because there's something wrong with the physical tach in the cluster, and they want like $300 to replace it. That being said, it doesn't read correctly either. This one reads a lot better. I'm sorry for the glare, but you also set your red line here. But I'm very happy with the way the tach reads. The reason I put it in is so I can see when I'm doing maintenance or whatever what the engine is currently running. Because my tach here will not show idle. It just won't. Alright guys, that's it for my tach install video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for subscribing, and remember, be savage.